This video will explain the students the assignment in MS Teams through which the test will be conducted. The first step will be to enter your class. Once you are into your class, on the left hand side, the first channel is General. Click on General channel. On the right hand side, the second tab is Assignments. Click on Assignments. This will show you all the assignments which are assigned to you. The other method for reaching assignment is on your toolbar, you have the ready-made tab with the name Assignments. Click on this Assignments tab. This will again show you, or this will again give you the view of all the tabs which are assigned to you. On 26 June 2021, you will get your actual elementary test assigned. This is just a dummy test which I have created just for the purpose of explanation. So once you get your answer, once you get your question paper, just click on that. Kindly read the instructions carefully. Next is to open the question paper. This is the question paper. Just click on this. This will open the question paper for you. Start writing on the answer sheets. Scroll down and keep writing till the time you reach the end of the paper. Once you complete writing all the papers, there is a close button on the right hand side. Just click on this close button. This will bring you back to your assignment tab. Now, the next is after completing writing, the next is to attach your answer sheets to the assignments. Now for this, mobile will be a better device because as it is, we will need a mobile for taking the photograph of the answer sheets. So for that, if you are on the mobile, you will get this interface. You will get this interface with the option Add Work. Click on Add Work. This will give you the following options from which you will select the second last option, that is take a photo. When you click on take a photo, your camera will be on and you can start taking the photograph. Once you click or once you take the photograph of first answer sheet, you will get two buttons at the bottom, add new and done. Click on add new and take the photograph of the next sheet. Again click on add new and then again take the photograph of the third sheet. Once you are done taking the photograph of all the sheets, click on the done button. When you click on the done button, the number of pages which you have attached, all those pages you can see one below the other. Right now I have attached just one paper, so I can see just one sheet. This is using the mobile phone. In case if you cannot use the mobile phone or you don't have access due to any reason, if you cannot use it or you cannot do it via mobile phone, you can just take the photograph and mail it to yourself. When you open your mail for the explanation purpose, I have just mailed 3 papers for me. So this is the mail which I have sent. Just download those papers. Next paper. And the third paper. Then I go to show in folder. Copy all my papers, downloaded papers. Go to the desktop. Just for organizing my work, I'm making a folder. And I'm pasting all the papers inside this. Right? Now, when you go to your MS Teams, this is your interface with the same button, Add Work. Click on Add Work. Now your papers you have downloaded and saved it in your device. So you will have to select the option Upload from this device. Click on this. You have saved it on the desktop. So go to desktop and select all the papers. With the help of Shift key, you can select all the papers. Click on Open. This will upload all your papers. Click on Done. See, So like I have uploaded 3 papers, so I can see 3 papers attached here. In the end, after you are done, after you are satisfied that your papers are attached, don't forget to click on the turn in button. Yes. Once you are turn in, your work is done. The students who are using cell phone for uploading the answer sheets will get hand in option. Instead of turn in option, you will get hand in option. Clicking of hand in and turn in option will submit your papers on the other end.